Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome to Weekend Tips, and today I'll be talking about how I made this $20 my computer without doing a lot of work using this website called HoneyGain. So HoneyGain is just a website that uses your internet connection to get small bits of information from the web. Like it's basically just sharing your internet with them, and they won't tamper with your personal data. They won't touch anything about your personal data. So like you are sharing sharing your data with them, then they will be paying you. So you can just watch the video for more info, but that's basically just the short form. So to do this, you just go to download the setup you are going to use. So what you just need to do is download the software. Let me download it. I've downloaded it before, but I need to show my own install it so I can show you guys. Downloads, save. So I'll need to download and install it now. As you can see here, this is not fake, so the HoneyGain team, yeah. So next, it's just basically your normal installation steps. Yeah. I think when you open it, that's when you need to register. Let me show you it works. The installation is completed now, so just click accept here. So I don't need introduction, just skip it. If you have not registered before, just click on this place. I've registered, so let me just put my email. Yeah, that's how you do it. If you have not ready, so it will be running in the background. If it's running in the background, just leave it to run in the background. If you want to check how you are earning, your performance and everything is going, just go to dashboard. So if you have signed up before, it's only so I'm already signed up. So this is how much I've earned. I've made like $1. This is the laptop that's earning for me. This is it. So that's what you just need to do. It will be running in the background by itself. So whenever you turn off your computer or when you turn it on back, so it turn on by itself. That's it. That's basically the problem. That's everything. And when you reach your minimum withdrawal, which is $20, the payout will be blue, so you'll be able to click on it. That's it. Thank you.